Hello everyone, welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious Haitian and Caribbean food recipes on YouTube. Today guys, I am going to share with you how to make the best creamy chicken Alfredo and broccoli pasta. It's super delicious. You are going to love this recipe. Let's get started. For this delicious recipe guys, you will need a box of ziti and well-seasoned chicken breast and broccoli. I'm using the frozen ones, so I did rinse them under cold water. Marinate the chicken breast with a little bit of garlic, scallions, chili flakes, pepper, and a little bit of salt. So for the ziti, I am using the medium size, not too big, not too small, just about right. Let's turn on the stove guys, put it on high and go ahead and add the olive oil. Give it a good shake and make sure that the pan is well coated with the olive oil. And just right after, go ahead and add the chicken breast. Just be patient with them and let them cook thoroughly for about 15 to 20 minutes just to be on the safe side. For those of you who have been following my channel, you're probably aware that I stopped using a lot of spices such as the Knorr powder, the Maggi. I just want to be on the safe side, so go ahead and add all the seasonings of your choice. I'm using garlic, black pepper, chili flakes pepper, salt. That's about it. So once the chicken starts turning brown, as you can see, it's looking delicious already, but it's not quite ready. Go ahead and add about half a cup of water. I just want the chicken to cook thoroughly because it's so much healthier that way, and the chicken will be so juicy at the end of all this process that you are seeing here. Guys, if you like everything that you're seeing, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. I really appreciate all of you that support this channel. Thank you so much for sharing Tasha's Cuisine with your friends and your family. I really appreciate you guys for doing so. So let's continue. As you can see, I added the broccoli and I am going to cover it up with the lid and put the fire on low and let this simmer. In the meantime, I will go ahead and boil the pasta. As you can see, the water is boiling. I did add a little bit of salt. I will let this boil al dente. So I did taste this and I feel like it needs a little bit more salt. As you can see, I added a little bit more. So my advice for you guys, when you're cooking, you just have to keep tasting so that you can have the best result. So go ahead and add the pasta, as you can see here. So I am going to give it a good stir, making sure all the juiciness of the chicken and the broccoli mixed in nice and well with the pasta. As you can see, this already looks so delicious, doesn't it? You can tell this is going to be so good. So I am mixing the chicken, the broccoli with the ziti. Give it a good stir. So I will go ahead and add the Alfredo sauce, give it a good stir, mix it nice and well with the pasta, the chicken, ziti and everything, and let it sit on the stove for an extra 10 minutes on low heat. And there you have it guys. As you can see, this plate is looking delicious. This was super delicious. And if you're like me, if you like bacon, go ahead and add a little bit of bacon just to top it off. This will give it a nice crunchiness. This is just my preference. I just love bacon. So guys, thanks for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I really hope that you give this a try. Please share this channel with your friends and your family, and I'll see you soon with more videos. If you have any comments or questions for me, do not hesitate to put your comment down below, and I'll try my best to respond back to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.